What if I told you the biggest opportunity to make money today is also the reason millions of people are becoming poorer? Sounds impossible? Then let me ask you something. Why can a 19-year-old with nothing but a laptop earn more than someone with a college degree? Why are some people building six-figure businesses from their bedrooms, while others are still waiting for the perfect job? The answer isn't luck, it isn't talent, and it definitely isn't working harder. It's something almost everyone is ignoring. We'll get to that in a minute. But first, let's understand what's really changed. 20 years ago, if you wanted to make more money, you needed more experience, more connections, or more education. Today, one skill can change your entire life. One video can reach millions of people. One digital product can be sold while you sleep. One client from the other side of the world can completely change your income. So why aren't more people taking advantage of it? Because most people are still preparing for yesterday's economy instead of today's. They're spending years collecting information, but never learning skills that the market actually pays for. Here's a question. If your job disappeared tomorrow, could you make money using only your skills? If the answer is no, that's the real problem. Not your salary, not the economy, your skills. But which skills actually matter? Before I answer that, there's one mistake almost everyone makes. People chase money. But money doesn't chase people, value does. The people making the most money today solve the biggest problems. They help businesses get more customers. They save companies time. They create content. They build websites. They automate tasks with AI. They edit videos. They write copy that sells. Notice something? Every one of these skills creates value first, and money follows. Now remember the question from the beginning. What's the biggest opportunity in this generation? It's not cryptocurrency. It's not becoming an influencer overnight. It's not getting lucky. The biggest opportunity is the internet. For the first time in history, you don't need permission to earn money. You don't need a big office. You don't need employees. You don't even need to live in a wealthy country. If you have valuable skills and an internet connection, you can sell your work to the entire world. But here's the catch. The internet rewards creators, problem solvers, and people who take action. Not people who spend years waiting for the perfect moment. So ask yourself, what did you learn today that someone would actually pay you for tomorrow? Because information is free, skills are valuable, and applied skills are priceless. So if you want to make money in this generation, stop asking, how can I make money? Start asking, what valuable problem can I solve? Because that's how every successful business begins. Money is simply the reward for creating value. And the people who understand that will always have opportunities, no matter how much the what